Hello again, my name is Bob Boross and this is my Jazz and Tap Dance Life, my YouTube video channel where I discuss all things in jazz and tap dance. We're working on some tap dance instructional exercises right now, and today what we're going to do is a step called the Essence Step, E-S-S-E-N-C, Essence Step. And this is something that probably, I know there was a step way back in the 1800s called the Essence of Old Virginia, or of Old Virginie. And I would imagine this is kind of related to that step because it is something that fits into the soft shoe mold, and that would have been something that was very popular at that time in terms of the development of tap dancing. So this is a really good step called the Essence, E-S-S-E-N-C-E. In terms of the Essence step, if you know what a basic soft shoe step is, you really know what this step is. It would be a fa-lap, step, fa-lap, step, which is the basic essence, soft shoe step. Okay, now that's taking it in a cross fashion, but I'm going to give you something a little bit different today. So the basic part of it are a fa-lap, and a step. Fa-lap, step, other side, fa-lap, step. Okay, but we need to execute it in a certain fashion. Now, a lot of times when people do this, they go down on the first step, fa-lap, and they drop, because that's a normal weight change for a fa-lap. This one, we actually pick the body up, so the brush and the step, the body is higher. I'm up. Then I take the next three sounds, fa-lap, step, to gradually bring the body weight down. So I have up, then come down. If I go to the other side, I come up, then come down. So if we count it as a 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4, a 1, that is the highest part. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4. Okay, which is much different than this. So I'm not going down, I'm going up. There's a lightness to the step. The second thing I want to stress is that if I take this diagonally forward, I open the legs, the next step pulls diagonally back. What we'll see a lot is people crossing the legs straight back. They kick the foot out and cross straight back. Kick the foot out and cross straight back. That's not what I'm doing. I'm doing open. Now I'm going to pull this leg, so each step takes me forward just slightly. For a moment, I have a stretched back leg, and then the fa-lap heel or fa-lap step comes in from there. So if I have 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that would be our Essence step. 6, 7, 8. And as we said, we could take it across in the traditional soft shoe style. Then I could open it, and this could be a traveling step across the floor. Sometimes I'll link this with a fa-lap over and do them repeatedly. And then take it back. So that's with a fa-lap over, okay? Now, that is the Essence step, E-S-S-E-N-C-E in tap dance. One more time, 6, 7, 8. And I'll pair that maybe with a fa-lap. I'll do this. And then move on from there into something else. So it's got a nice ring to it, the Essence step. So give it a try. My name is Bob Boross. This is my Jazz and Tap Dance Life. If you like the channel, if you like the videos, please click subscribe, number 1, click the notifications bell, number 2, and click that like button, number 3. When you like it, that tells YouTube this is good information, and they'll hopefully spread it around to other people who are interested in tap dance videos. Okay? Again, Bob Boross, and my Jazz and Tap Dance Life. And we'll see you soon in the next tap video.